Today I want to walk you through my final check before we ship the machine out. So here we got the tablet press machine. It has 40 stations, high speed, and pre-compression. After all the mechanical and performance tests are complete by our engineer, and that the voltage is exactly what the client needs, like it's single phase or three phase. My job is to make sure the machine meets our standards before it reaches the client. So how do I do that? I use what I call the appearance test, checking by sign and by touch. Let's go see the tablet press build. First, we start to inspect the appearance with our eyes. Open the acrylic door of the tablet pressing chamber. 4 doors here. 2, 3, and 4. And check inside. Make sure it's clean, no stains or no scratches, and properly lubricate with white oil to keep it in good condition. And then open the motor carboning door. There are also 4 doors here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look for any paint inside that could break off and cause contamination. But our paint is baked at high temperature, so it won't peel. It also anti-rust, anti-moisture, and anti-corrosion. Next, check the wiring. Open the electrical carboning door. Everything should be neat and up to EU and USA standards, since most of our machines are exported there. Okay, after looking, I start to feeling the surface. I run my hands over the polished or ground areas to make sure they are smooth. And I check carefully for sharp edges that could cause injury, like on the 4-seater, the turntable cover, or the discharge port. I also double check the number of machines, accessories, and molds in the order. That's it, pretty simple, but it ensures our customers get safe, reliable, and top quality machines. So hopefully that helps. Any suggestions, leave a comment. And if you think we are doing it right, hit that like. Thanks.